Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me for the Craft with 5 challenge for April. This is a collaboration hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Each month there's a list of 5 items, and some are tools and some are like an image or something we create with them. And so if you follow along on the playlist that it's linked to down below in the description, you'll get to see, and it's an interpretation thing. So it could be scrapbook pages, it could be journals, it could be whatever. And you'll see that some people are going to make a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm probably going to make one little thing kind of experimenting. This is a great challenge for me because it pushes me outside my comfort zone. This month was oval, pastels, stencil, sticker, and ink. If you're new here, pastels are hard for me. They're just not my jam. Like pink, it's not my thing. I was away from my craft room, so I got a little creative because I didn't have absolutely everything. So I had oval die cuts, pastels. I went pink, and it's not maybe the lightest pink, but it is pink. So that's my pastel. Stencil, I used die cuts. If you follow along on my channel, you'll see that I might not always label it in the headings, and I might not tell you this is in the series, but we made die cuts in a different video. And so I showed you a bunch of cats. So what I did here was I laid my die cut down and I just held it carefully and I put some ink around it. And they were patterned darker papers that I used. So the die cuts are still good. And then I got the negative image as a stencil. So any die cuts that you have, you could do hearts or stars, same for punches, anything like that. You can get some variety. So I just kind of laid them out and thought, well, this might be kind of a fun thing. And then birthday wishes. And then I didn't have stickers. I was looking for cat stickers. I had tons of dog stickers, but not cats. So I had washi tape that had little cats and paws and a cat there. I think that works. And then I added some little birthday or some little stickers right here by the birthday wishes, just to make it a little bit interesting because the oval was a little too big. I think if I was going to redo this, first of all, I had a pink layer. I had another layer, but it was just too big and it got messy. I would check the size of my cardstock before I stenciled on my craft cardstock. I would have a pink layer to give it a little more pop. And I think I could have gone down a size in the birthday wishes, done something a little different, or not used white paper. Maybe here I should have used craft, and then, I don't know, maybe that would have been too much craft. But anyway, if you make a card and you don't love it, okay, I would send this to you, but mostly because you saw it on my channel and it would be fun. But if you make a card that you don't love, experiment with it a little bit and think about, okay, what could you try next time? Like maybe I should have moved my cats around a little bit and put the birthday wishes more. Oh, we're getting passed through visitor. The birthday wishes more in the center, so it was a focal point or something different. But don't be afraid to mix and match different items that you've never used before. I would not have gotten these ovals out and played with the cats and done all this if it weren't for the challenge. So maybe you want to play along. Lots of people have posted for the year so you can see what's coming and play with us, or you can ask me and I'll get it posted for you too. And I'm sure Beth has it on her channel. Check out the link in the description and come back every month for Craft with 5 because it really does push me outside my comfort zone. You may have seen that I've made some really like more elegant cards, and I've been using different colors and just trying things that I don't normally try. I almost, when it said pastels, I was thinking, what if I just use oil pastels like a product and then I don't have to use any pastels? But I don't know for sure if I decluttered those or I just can't find them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. I'll be back again very soon. I have many videos queued up, but I need to do some editing and some other stuff. So I'm getting back in the craft room and videos will start flowing. Bye-bye.